the GoPro just on a stick, but with no external mic. This is without the Saramonic mic. I'm getting a slight breeze, pedaling at probably 8 miles an hour. So typically how I would use it, doing a piece to camera on a bike. Okay, so this is a test of the GoPro Hero5 and 6 rig, this time with the Saramonic mic. Hopefully it should sound better, even though there is a wind, but I imagine that it should sound better than the previous clip where there was no external mic. Alright, so I'm going to take my helmet off. So I'm going to do a quick walking test, and this is walking and talking with just the naked GoPro without the audio modification. Again, I'm just holding it on a stick about arm's length. I'm going to turn, maybe it'll catch some wind. You can hear how the bare audio sounds like on the GoPro. So testing 1, 2, 3, this is just walking with the GoPro trying to vlog. So this is the same walking test, holding the GoPro on a stick at about arm's length away, but this time with the Saramonic mic, the GoPro adapter, the Sugru, all the good stuff we did in the video. So I'm just going to walk and talk, give you guys a sense of what it's going to sound like, the pickup pattern. I'm going to rotate and maybe it'll catch some wind. There's definitely a headwind coming towards me this way. We'll see how that buffers the wind in the editor. So testing, walking and talking with the Saramonic.